What's up, y'all? It's Mariah Lisa and I am back with another banger. Okay, so today, I've been gone a little minute. It's July now. It's summer. I just want y'all to know I really been getting in my wig bag. I feel like I said that in the last video that I was gonna really get into wigs, and y'all, I have. And I have filmed at least 7 wig videos, but like my technique has gotten better and better each video, so I'm like, do I even post those old videos or what? I don't know, but you know, I'm probably gonna just drop them all so you can at least get your hands on some pretty quality wigs. But I digress. This is not what this video is about. This video is the video you have been waiting for. About a year ago, I posted my most popular video, the realistic knotless braided wig from Amazon, and today I have another braided wig for the summer. I got this wig off of a black brand and shop off of Etsy. They are called Gazella's Creations. This is our braided wig for the 2022 summer. Okay, so here is the wig. Y'all, please tell me this is giving scalp, y'all. I know last year's wig was it, but this year's wig is it. This is the back of the wig. Ah, snap. What? Scalp. Okay, so this is a full lace wig, which is why it's giving scalp all throughout the whole cap. Like, this is what the inside of the cap is looking like. Full lace, not a weft in sight. Clearly, like, she hand braided each of these braids onto this wig. And y'all, it's about time, it's about that time that we install this baby, okay? Like, this wig is, I believe, 20 inches. I will make sure it's a knotless medium size braided wig. I will make sure to link the Etsy shop in the description box below. She did check in with me twice to see if she needed to take any braids out. She showed me pictures. Like, I just really love the communication. I think it probably took her 3 weeks to complete my order, and I did order 3 wigs and then another 2 weeks to ship. So I was really pleased with the service, and I'm going to see how pleased I am with the wig. But y'all, like, please, like, really, I'm not even have to bleach this in any way. I'm just not. Maybe I will shade the lace to get it a little more summertime fine, but yeah, this will be interesting. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the install. This is a full lace wig, so I will be doing the ball cap method and spray the front and the back of my head to ensure that I have coverage all around. I'm using the Eben Wonder Red spray. It's the active version, which is the extreme firm hold. It is honestly about the same as the black, but I think a little stickier. After I covered all the areas, I go in with the blow dryer on a high cool setting to make sure I dry all the areas. Next, to match the cap with my complexion, I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade RDF 14. To set the foundation, I go in with the Tresemme Maximum Hold Hairspray and then go in with the blow dryer on a high cool setting. And then I repeat that exact same process in the lace portions of the wig. To cut my wig cap, I make slits in the wig cap in the front so I can get a more precise and clean cut when I am cutting it close to the hairline. To cut the back, I lifted the wig cap and then put the scissors as close to the adhered portion that was on my skin on the back of my neck and then cut straight. I tightened the straps to the smallest setting and then slid the wig on my head, and it was a pretty good and snug fit. I did notice the wig was kind of big over the ears, so not a problem. I just cut some ear tabs and look at that. Seamless. Okay, time for application. I peel the wig back and clean my forehead with 70 to 90% alcohol and micellar water. And then go in with the blow dryer on a cool setting to dry the area completely before I get the adhesive process. Okay, going back in with that same red Eben lace spray, I spray one section of the frontal with the spray and then go in with the blow dryer on a high cool setting. I repeat that process from ear to ear until I feel that the lace is properly adhered to my skin. In this video, you're not going to see me spray down the back of the wig because I'm not actually going to wear this wig out. However, if I was, and if you are, and plan to do updo styles, you should definitely apply the Eben spray to the back of the wig and blow dry. Do the same process in the back. Before I tie down my elastic band, I lay forward the baby hairs so they don't get pressed in the wrong way. It's been about 20 to 30 minutes. That's longer than I usually do this, but this is a full lace wig and it's time to do a little tug test. That lace is not moving, y'all. This spray is the truth. And now it's time I cut the lace. I'm using shears and I'm just cutting a little bit of the lace so I can get easier access to it when I use the razor blade. Some of the spray got on the baby hairs, which made them hard, so I'm trying to go in with some micellar water to soften them up. And now it's time to go in with the razor blade. I go across my hairline in a zigzag motion to try to create kind of a jagged edge to give that illusion of a more natural hairline. Okay, again with these baby hairs. So these baby hairs were a lot wispier than what I thought they were initially when I took them out the package. I go ahead and snip them around about the length of my eyebrows. I'm going in with this 1/2 inch curling iron and curling the baby hairs in the front upward, and the ones on the side I curled upward, but I ended up curling downward. My baby hairs weren't exactly cooperating the way I wanted to, so the ones on the right I decided to curl downward, and I kept the ones on the left curled upward. It just laid better that way. To style my edges, I'm going in with the black Got2b glue for maximum hold. And believe me, it took me like 30 minutes to just get these how I wanted. Like I did not even want baby hairs anymore. It just took forever. Honestly, I just feel like these were just too wispy to make something out of them, but I tried my best.
To secure my baby hairs and for peace of mind, I went in with one last spray of that black Eben lace adhesive, and I coated all my baby hairs as well as the front row braids. Wow, look at the grid. These look like they were done out of the salon. I'm kind of shook, and this definitely beats last year's as far as natural looking wigs all the way around because it's a full lace wig.
Okay, so like let's really get into it. So I was able to do this top knot bun because it is a full lace wig. The braids are laying very flat. The scalp is giving scalp. I will say the hairline is a little more faux than the other braided wig that I had. And so fortunately, because my technique is a lot better than it was a year ago. I don't know about you, but I'm still shook. I'm shocked. Am I really? Because braided wigs, they've become a thing now. I've been seeing them everywhere, twists. I even got a faux lock one and I got a feed-in one. And I might bust it out for y'all to see if y'all are really like messing with it. But like, yeah, like this is it. Down to my butt again. The one last year was 30 inches, but this one's definitely not 30 inches. I really think it's 18 or 20. Not as many braids, not as heavy on my head, but I love it. I really do love it, and I definitely feel like I can do a lot more styles and like move this one around my head a lot more because it is a full lace wig. What? And I really got it matching my complexion. Like look at that, that's cute, cute. Side part. Stop. You already saw me with the top knot bun. You already saw me with the middle part. Flip it to the other side. Yes, yes. So please support Black business this year and order yourself a knotless braided wig. Girl, this is fire. Ooh. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe for good vibes. Stay tuned for more content coming your way, wig content mostly. Yeah, I don't know. Thank you so much for rocking with me. I know we are over 500 subscribers. Thank you for helping me grow this channel, and please continue to join the family. Love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next one.